What's up, y'all? Y'all already know what's going on. It's Chef Pressure. Chef Pressure, man. I'm here with my wife, Empress.
Hey.
And you got baby Imp, but she sleep, y'all, so we gotta keep it quiet. Anyways, man, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we gonna get back to this video. You know what I'm saying? I'm scrolling through Instagram, and I see a reel. I see a reel, and this reel had some, it was scrumptious. It looked very good. I told my wife, I said, babe, we got to make this. So I'm about to see if I can recreate these loaded fries that this lady, what her name is, Kimmy, listen. Kimmy Eats. I think her name is Kimmy Eats, but I'll follow her page, Kimmy Creations or something like that. I'll follow her page. I'm gonna put her tag at the bottom of this video so y'all can follow her, and cause she has some things that look very, very good, some food that look very, very good, man. So, man, show us some support, and yeah, let's get this done. All right, y'all. Now listen, man. The actual name of this recipe is called Rotel Dip Loaded Fries. We have fries over here, but you know your girl Kimmy Creations, she didn't use Ida. Anyway, she didn't use Ida. She cooked hers from scratch. Meat pressure, we ain't cooking that from scratch. We ain't got time for all that. We finna go ahead and dive in. I'm letting the grease all heat up. We got our onions, we got some bell pepper, we got some rotel, we got some Velveeta cheese, and as she say, don't be bougie, man. We gonna use Velveeta cheese today. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna get she used sausage. We're using ground beef. So let's let this thing cook. See, look, I'm rusty. I forgot to turn on the, let's get it. Let this thing heat up. That boy name is, he say 1 stick of butter. That man say 1 stick of butter, man. Y'all should listen. I look at food channels. I love food. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like flavor, food with flavor. I don't like any food. I don't like bland food. So this is gonna be very seasoned well, everything. So 1 stick of butter. We want 1 stick of butter, y'all. But I ain't trying to steal this way. So that's that New Orleans stuff. We ain't gonna use no stick of butter. You see, this is half a stick of butter, so we're gonna use 1/4 of a butter. How do you tell when your grease is hot? Do y'all know? It's two ways. Two ways that I use. I usually either dab a dash of water or some flour. And that's how you tell if the grease start popping. That means that the grease is ready. When you drop that water in there. Okay. Fries cooking. We got the ground beef cooking. And we're about to get this thing started, man. You know what I'm saying? About to get this thing started. You excited, baby?
Yes, y'all. Dying to see what it's gonna taste like. Y'all know this. Pressure do all the cooking. Well, that's not true. I cook sometimes, but I'm by no means a better cook than him, and I will not cook for nobody besides him. So
I be trying to get her to cook for the Sunday. Y'all know I'm crazy about football, so I be trying to get her to cook on Sundays and Saturdays for the guys. But I have to end up cooking, you know what I'm saying, or I have to go get us some wings and buying it and bring it here, and finger foods and stuff like that.
I'm a takeout kind of girl myself. You know what I mean?
Sometimes nothing better than a home cooked meal, though, y'all. Nothing better than a home cooked meal.
That's the way to the man's heart.
His stomach.
His stomach?
Yes, stomach.
I still got his heart, so who cares?
You know about one?
It's the baby time? What, the rotel? Yeah. Again, amateur cookie, y'all.
It's small.
I thought it was gonna be enough.
This is.
And I bought it offline, y'all. I wasn't in the store. So I didn't know. I didn't know. I think our baby is up, y'all. Let me go check
on the baby. I got my eyes on you.
Hey.
Everything that I need.
Hey, beautiful Empress. Hey, baby. Hey. She like, huh? Mom, get this camera out my face. Paparazzi.
If everything that I need, I got the high on emotion. I can't even remember the words to it, man. I remember the song. Remember the words of the song, baby?
Yeah.
Empress reacts. Come on, Empress. Baby Empress and Mama Empress. Go ahead and sing it.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I need. I want your high love and emotion. Or is it devotion?
Endlessly.
Hey. This that dynamic duo, y'all. Y'all know, for those of y'all who follow my channel, Empress Reacts, I love duets. I love them. And
there's always that one person that will always have your heart.
my boo.
You never see it coming 'cause you're blinded from the start. Know that you're that one for me. It's clear. See, that's the duet I remember growing up. You know what I'm saying? When I was in my time. So all the rest of the duets, I don't know them about.
Yeah, he trying to.
But guess what? You go on her page. I promise she could probably tell you about everything.
Yeah, I know it.
But I know about my boo.
My What y'all think? Empress gonna be a little singer? Y'all think so? This is baby Empress. Empress always a mood, y'all. And she's so cute. Look at them fat cheeks. Look at them.
So we'll tell this thing, and we're gonna cook it all in one. But I gotta get some of that red out. I gotta go ahead and finish cooking a little bit. Got another, you know what I'm saying? Please don't judge me. I do not have fresh vegetables. We have 3 colored peppers. I don't have fresh vegetables. Don't judge me, y'all. So, you know what I mean? That's all I got.
Hey, I don't see nothing wrong with that.
It's a lot wrong with it. You can't tell a chef there's nothing wrong with frozen vegetables. Everything is wrong with frozen vegetables.
You sound like that movie.
But this is all I got.
What's the name of that movie? What?
The Chef, I think.
The Chef. Y'all seen that movie? It's with Liam Neeson. Like he is the chef.
The
like
chef.
yeah, it was pretty good. But y'all,
It was okay. It was weird.
It was weird, but I feel like it's one of the movies you watch a couple of times. You know.
As y'all know, I love onions, so we finna add a whole bunch of onions.
When we first
Well, y'all
met,
don't know.
When we first met, he used to like kiss me with onion ring breath. He used to work at Burger King. And that's how I know I liked him, because I used to let him kiss me with onion ring breath. Yes, Empress, your father.
So we gonna most definitely make sure it's there. We gonna make sure you gotta stir it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Toss it up. Get all together. And missing one. Get some rotel in that thing. We're gonna stir him on up. We're gonna stir him on. What's up, boo boo? What's up, boo boo?
Boo boo getting a little heavy, y'all. I'm trying to put it down. Y'all think it's gonna work? Let's see.
So to cut this bell meat up, I'm gonna slice and I'm gonna dice. Where's the top of this pan, baby?
It should be down below.
It should be down below.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to use gloves to take the top off.
Alright,
Yeah, y'all, we got a little bootleg situation happening.
yeah, she messed it up. Yeah. Like literally, listen. Literally almost every day when I come home, something's always messed up. She broke the refrigerator.
Like
I had to put the handle back on.
don't do me like that.
She done broke the refrigerator, y'all, at least 3-4 times.
Don't do that.
Ain't got no handle. How you pull this off? How do you pull this off?
Gotta use them black gloves over there. We live in bootleg.
Then it's letting air in right here. So I gotta enclose this part. So how I'm gonna do that? I'm going to rig it up a little bit, you know. We're gonna do something like this.
We live in bootleg. All right, how about
Fries.
the fries? Looking golden brown?
It's not right yet. It's not ready.
I don't mess with no grease. I don't do no frying.
I don't know why. I've showed her 1,000 times. And she just always
Look, now, let me tell y'all something.
always tells me, you can do it.
Yeah, he can do it because it tastes good. Because guess what, y'all? Every time I try to even do like a little sear or anything like that, he walk in the house, he be like,
smell burnt. Something smells burnt.
That's so messed up, right? What woman want to hear something smell burnt?
Man. What woman don't want to hear the truth? You say, don't lie to me. So guess what? I'm not finna give you no condescending. I'm not finna be beat around the bush, give you, all different type of stories. I'm finna tell you the truth. It smell like it's burnt. If it smell burnt, it's burnt.
But y'all, my husband is so sweet because, especially when I was learning how to cook, he would eat
everything.
Everything. He was so sweet.
Everything.
He was so sweet for that. And I said, like even stuff I wouldn't eat sometimes, he would be eating it. I said,
hey,
you got it.
Sometimes you gotta eat it. You know what I'm saying? That's all it's in. Hey, listen, that's the only thing that's in the house.
In the house.
That's it. That's all you got to choose from. Ain't no.
Let's see.
Look. I'm not a snacker like that. So like I don't eat sweets like food.
See, I'm a snacker, y'all. I get all the little Debbie's and stuff. So speaking of grocery store today, we spent about $300.
It's barely.
Look what we got going on, y'all. Look what we got going on, y'all. Look what we got going on.
But as we say, a lot of times, majority of the times, we eat out.
Yeah. Well, I would say majority of the times. It depends on his work schedule, y'all. So if he's like really busy at work, I would say maybe 3 out of 7 days.
Yeah, you cook about 3 days out of 7.
Yeah, sometimes.
If the food ain't ready by the time I get home, I gotta go get some to eat. Like,
as a young wife, that's a lesson I had to learn, y'all. I'm hungry.
And when I get hungry, I get hangry. Especially all day long, you know what I'm saying? Doing all this heavy lifting and doing this and that. I'm tired, you know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all them wives who husbands call y'all like, what we eating tonight? It's like 12 o'clock. I have no idea. Hey, baby Empress.
Fill up the spatula.
Oh, what? No, he can't blame me for that, y'all. He cannot blame me for that. Yeah.
So I tried I try to measure it appropriately.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I'm making a mess, y'all, but hey, y'all get the point, man. This thing here is, whew. Put a little extra for me. You want a little extra, baby?
Yeah, I want a little extra. Now, the question is, do you eat these with your hands? Or do you
Man, you get sloppy with it. That's what you do. You get sloppy with it. Yeah.
I don't know, y'all.
Like that. And it's leftovers. You know what I'm saying? So, boom. Bye, y'all. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see what's going on? Pressure eats. Pressure eats, man. Listen, y'all want more content like this, man? Let me know, man. But it's all a part of family time. I told you, man. God first, family second, and then cars. Like, comment, subscribe. We gone. Here it goes, y'all.
Delish.
Is it 1 thumb up or 2 thumbs up?
No, y'all know how I do 10s across the board. This is a fire bop of a meal. And again, it took like what, less than 20 minutes to make?
Yeah.
Easy thing, baby. I like it. And I think it was a good call on the amount of the beer. That's really good, y'all.
Now we gone.